Hi there, I just checked the mail and look what I got. A package from The Spinning Hand. I subscribed to her subscription box series, and so I'm getting 4 knitting kits this year, 1 every quarter. And this is the first one. She put a little heart on the front. I feel loved. All right, let's see here. This first kit is supposed to be a luxury shawl kit. And I just want something to knit while I am watching Netflix and relaxing. And so I don't want it to be too difficult a pattern, but I still want to use like really beautiful yarn. She wrote me a handwritten note. That's so nice. This is private. I'll save this for later. What's inside the box? Start with the yarn, a project to inspire you, put it all together, and something special for you. Okay? Oh my gosh, this project bag is adorable. It's got travel icons on it. I can't wait to travel again. Oh, and it unsnaps nice and smooth. Oh my gosh, these snaps are so smooth. They're not gonna snag on my yarn at all. Speaking of which, let's take a look at the yarn. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I love this blue. Araucania Huasco, pure extra fine merino wool, hand painted in Peru. That's gorgeous. 454 yards. That'll be beautiful. Little treat. What's this? Soothing salve from South Mountain Bees. Oh, that is nice. Very soothing for the cuticles when my skin gets dry. And this is the pattern, the Aleem Shawlette. Absolutely gorgeous. And it is a 2-row repeat, so that's something that I can memorize right away. Good, I can't wait to get started.